Welcome back. Now it's time to look at multi-level inheritance. And first I'm going to create a class called animal. It's going to have a def, init, self, and it's going to have a parameter name. It's going to have self dot name equals to name. I'll go down here and I will define a function of method speak. Then I'm going to type here return double quotation marks placeholder makes a sound. Alright, now let's move to the next class. Why it's underlined? Oh, we should say dot format self dot name. All right, let's go down here. Let's create another class, mammal animal. Is gonna inherit from the animal. I'm gonna define init. It's gonna have a name and a species. Then I'm going to type here super to call the constructor from the parent class from which you are inheriting, to call the constructor of the animal class. I'm going to put here name. Then I'm going to type here self dot species equals species. Then I'll go down here. I'll define a method speak. It's gonna return curly braces is a curly braces and makes a mammal sound. Dot format. I'm gonna type should be dot format and I will type here self dot name and self dot species. So this is gonna be inserted in those placeholders here. I'm gonna create another class. I'm gonna type class dog is gonna inherit from mammal. It's gonna have a def init. It's gonna have a name and the breed. So it's gonna have name, breed. Then I'm gonna call the super. So I'm gonna type super. I'm gonna pass the name, and for the species, dog. Alright, so this is our class. I'm gonna type here self dot breed equals to breed. Should be breed. Then I'll go down here and I'll type def speak print. I'm gonna put curly brace, no, not print, return double quotation marks curly braces d curly braces barks dot format self dot name and self dot breed, and those values here are going to be inserted inside the placeholders here. Now I'll go down here and I'll type dog equals to dog let's call it body, and I'm gonna, for the breed, golden retriever. Let's move this down, and I'll type here print dog.speak. So now if I run this, you get body, the golden retriever barks. So you get this output from here. Body, the golden retriever barks. So it's using self.name and self.read. So this is how you can use multi-level inheritance in Python. I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you in the next video.